Hey you guys, just want to kind of show you some patterns today. This is your Indonesian curly. Gorgeous hair. Feels amazing. So that's the weft. And that's your Indonesian curly. There you have it. You are Indonesian frontal. This is the curly frontal. 13x4. This hair is just out the pack from the vendor. I have not washed this hair yet. So when I wash it, it will be fuller. But let me just go ahead and try to get some of the... Just wanted you guys to see what the hair looks like. And know that this is sourced from single donors. So sometimes the pictures we have on the site may not be the exact pattern that you get. Because it is sourced from different donors. So for this type of curly pattern, the Indonesians do steam it to give you this tighter curl. It's not a loosest curl as the Indian hair because the Indian hair is just a natural curl. But if you see the hair like this, they steamed it to get it this pattern. So be real careful when you're bleaching because when you bleach your hair, that's also steaming. So what you do is you release this curl so it will loosen it a little bit. I don't know if you guys remember that video I did when I bleached that Indonesian hair and it turned out to be like just straight after because I bleached it too long. But that's like the best hair because it's so thick and so fluffy. That's why I love the Indonesian hair. It's just like our hair, nice and thick and fluffy. It gives you a little more bounce and thickness than the Indian hair. So this is like the best kept secret, y'all. This Indonesian hair is everything. So that's the lace right there. And let's see how it looks against my hand. There it is, very natural. I don't like to bleach my knots because any chemical you put on the hair, especially on the lace and the knots you're loosening, it starts to deteriorate a little bit. So after a while, you might find yourself getting shedding, and that's because we bleached the knots. So try to just use a little makeup on that part or put makeup on underneath the back here because you can always wash that out. And this way you get to preserve your product. You're spending a lot of money, so you want to preserve it. Love you guys.